Is Spaceship Chess sponsored? This is a question that's been buzzing around the chess community lately. With its rapid rise in popularity, sleek design, and innovative features, it's natural to wonder if there's more to this chessboard than meets the eye. Before we dive into the sponsorship question, let's quickly recap what makes Spaceship Chess so special. It's not just a chessboard, it's a gaming experience. With its magnetic pieces, touch-sensitive board, and integrated timer, it offers a modern take on a classic game. The sponsorship question. So, is Spaceship Chess sponsored? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. While there's no explicit public announcement of sponsorships, there are a few factors that have fueled speculation. Influencer partnerships. Many popular chess influencers and streamers have been seen using Spaceship Chess in their content. Some of these partnerships seem more organic than others, raising questions about potential sponsorships or product placements. Marketing campaigns. Spaceship Chess has launched several successful marketing campaigns, including social media promotions and limited edition releases. These campaigns often involve significant investments, which could be funded by sponsors or investors. Product placement. The board has been featured in various TV shows, movies, and music videos. This kind of product placement can be a subtle form of sponsorship as it exposes the product to a wider audience. The reality of sponsorships in the chess world. While chess might not be as lucrative as other sports, it's still a growing industry with significant potential. Companies are increasingly recognizing the value of sponsoring chess events, players, and products. However, it's important to note that not all partnerships are created equal. Some are genuine collaborations between brands and individuals who share a passion for the game. Others may be more transactional, with the primary goal of increasing brand visibility. The impact of sponsorships on the chess community. Sponsorships can have both positive and negative impacts on the chess community. On the one hand, they can help to grow the game by providing funding for tournaments, educational initiatives, and player development. On the other hand, excessive commercialization can dilute the purity of the game and alienate some fans. Ultimately, whether or not Spaceship Chess is sponsored is less important than the impact it has on the chess community. As long as the product continues to inspire people to play and enjoy the game, its success is assured. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.